Hello, he's Philip DeFranco. I'm Corey Worthington.
What?
Do you know Philip DeFranco?
No.
Okay, he's a YouTuber. But anyways, welcome to Guru Vlogs. I'm here with Phil. If you remember him from the very first vlog, we're going to Melbourne Central or the Royal Arcade, something like that. But
Yeah, well, let's go.
we'll catch you there.
Yeah.
We got the hot chocolates. Yes. Whoa,
You know what's annoying when people put their finger in their food?
Yeah. Yeah. But I've got the chili one, he's just got a normal one. How's that? Does it taste good?
I haven't tasted it yet. I gotta take a photo.
Yeah.
To Priscilla.
I
If you don't know, Priscilla is my girlfriend. Are you recording?
What?
I thought you were recording.
I am recording.
Oh, well, as a lot of you viewers may not know, Priscilla is my girlfriend. So I just want to make that clear.
Yeah. This is boost.
Oh, you recorded when I was licking my finger.
Yep.
Cool. So today this guy's been taking ugly photos of me.
Here it is, right there. Yeah, it's very beautiful.
And there is
Excellent.
one right here. I'm not even going to upload it. Just look at it. We've actually been doing Patrick Star. What do you call it?
I love you.
Yeah, man. We were playing guitars today.
Oh yeah, we forgot to film that. We're at Billy Hyde's today. Yeah, and we're trying out different guitars and that.
And he's drinking his Boost juice, which you can see. Boost juice. Boost juice. Good boy. Good boy.
Making me. You gotta go home soon, don't you?
I do. Oh no, folks, I gotta go home. It's
Thanks.
4 o'clock in like
Yeah.
31 minutes, you know. 31 minutes.
It's 4 o'clock now.
4 o'clock. And yeah, that's my girlfriend, remember?
Yeah.
Yeah. Her name's Priscilla, by the way.
I think we get that now.
Priscilla. Don't forget that.
Yes, thanks for joining me today. We'll see you again soon.
Alright, see you later. Can I hold your phone? It looks so good.
Yep.
Nice. I love it. I love it. Look at that. Okay, alright. There you go.
Me. Meow. Spiderweb. Hello. No. Come out and say hi. Yep. Got spiderwebs all over you. You bet. This is a very talkative cat. Ring. Yeah, nuffy. He's little Miss Talk a lot. Meow. 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 You're a dork. Come on. What are you doing? Meow. Come on. Meow. You don't want to go outside, do you? You know the dog's there. Meow. What? Come on. Come on. Come on, Mia. Come on. Come on, Dorkatron. Come on. Come on. Do you want some food? You want some food? Hurry up. Come on. Hurry up. Come on, you dorkfulness. Hello, my fatty one. Hello. Oh. What are you doing? Yes? No, you don't want to sniff the phone? Alright. Good girl. Now it's time to treat myself. Some little chicken. Hey guys, I think I'm just going to end the video there. yeah, I had a good day with Phil today. I'm sorry we didn't get to film much today, but we didn't really have a lot of time. We only had about 2 hours. And yeah, we just didn't really give too much time into filming, and that will happen sometimes. You'll have your short vlogs and you have your long vlogs. They come in all sizes. So yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel, and look forward to producing some more good content for you guys in the future. Peace.